Today, I'll show you 3 best completely free screen recorders for PC. You're watching TechFad. If you're a keen gamer, OBS Studio is easily the best screen recorder for you. OBS Studio supports both streaming and recording in high definition, with no restrictions on the number or length of your creations. It's able to capture games running in full screen mode with customizable hotkeys to control the recording. OBS Studio can also make full use of multi-core CPUs for improved performance and can record at 60 FPS or even higher. It might take a little while to set it up exactly how you want, but OBS Studio is by far the best and most powerful screen recorder for gamers. OBS Studio is our favorite free screen recorder, but FlashBack Express comes in extremely close second. Despite being a free version of a paid program, FlashBack Express won't put ugly watermarks over your recordings or impose time limits, and it's packed with features and tools that rival many premier programs. Its interface is less intimidating than OBS Studio. If you've never used a screen recorder before, it's an excellent choice. You can record from your whole screen, a window, a selected area, or a webcam. Once you've finished, your recording will appear in a simple editor where you can crop and trim it to suit your needs. Then export it to YouTube, an FTP server, or your PC. But take a minute to dive into FlashBack's advanced options, and you'll find a wealth of thoughtfully designed settings that will make your desktop recordings look truly professional. The recorder can automatically obscure password, enter on screen, replace your silly wallpaper with a plain one, hide messy desktop icons, and highlight your mouse pointer to make it easier to follow. There's also a dedicated gaming mode that lets you define the number of frames recorded per second. There's no limit on the length of recordings unless you choose to set one, which can be useful if there's a chance you might accidentally leave the recorder running. You can also choose to break long recordings up into chunks, a brilliant touch that helps you avoid creating huge, unwieldy files. Following a recent update, FlashBack Express can export in WMV, AVI, and MP4, eliminating the need for a separate video converter, and it no longer requires a free license key for activation. Just install the software and you're ready to start recording. If you want to record a presentation, software demonstration, or tutorial, give Apowersoft free online screen recorder a try. It's a web browser-based tool, which means it's not suitable for games, but for any other task, it's ideal. The first time you use Apowersoft free online screen recorder, you'll be prompted to download a Smart Launcher application. You'll then be provided with a control bar packed with more options than you'll find in most desktop screen recording software. You can capture footage from your desktop or a webcam, and record audio from your PC, microphone, both or neither. You can record the whole screen, select an area manually, or choose one of the preset resolutions, ideal if you're recording a clip for YouTube and don't want to use a separate video editor to resize it later. Apowersoft free online screen recorder also offers customizable keyboard shortcuts for speed and convenience. You can choose whether or not to include the cursor in the recording and take your pick from a range of output formats including MP4, WMV, AVI, MOV, and many more. You can even add annotations during the recording. Once you're done, you can save the recording as a video file or GIF, upload it directly to YouTube or Vimeo, or send it to Google Drive or Dropbox. Note that the download desktop version button links to a program called Apowersoft Screen Recorder Pro. This is a trial version of a premium application and is more limited than online screen recorder. Hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below along with a comment with anything you'd like to share with us. Also, don't forget to subscribe and to follow TechFad on social media.